Heriot-Watt is, as far as actuarial science is concerned, we are one of the best universities in the world. Our connection with the industry is unparalleled anywhere in the world. The professional body in UK, they have set up an actuarial research centre which is housed in our Scotland campus. So that's the faith that the industry has in the academics that are in Heriot-Watt. So in that sense, there's no comparison as far as actuarial science is concerned. Okay. And what about data science? Now we all know all these fancy words being thrown around: big data, data science, and all these things. What does it mean? Now, is it new? The first idea of data science came about in 1962. So it's not a new thing. We all think it's new. The first time the word data science was used in a paper, in a conference paper, in a research paper, was in 1971. That's how old data science is. Okay? So why is it now big? Why is it suddenly now everybody has heard of data science, and for the last 50 years no one seems to know what data science is? The only reason is because we don't have the equipment in the 60s and the 70s to collect data the way we collect now. Take for example, actuaries, you want to figure out how long someone is going to live, mortality of a person, based on things like what they eat, the environment they live in, how much exercise they do, things like that. It's extremely difficult to get that kind of information. But today, even I have one of these. Right? That tells you how many steps I take, how much I sleep. All that information can be used to price insurance products. So big data is big now because there is data. Right? So why choose Heriot-Watt if you're thinking of data science? Compared to all the other data science courses out there in Malaysia, our focus in our degree is on the statistical understanding, not on the computer programming. There are two parts to doing data science. One is on the computing skills, okay? So you really have to be good at that, otherwise you got data, you don't know how to work the data, you don't know how to analyze the data, you don't know how to extract information from the data. So that's one side of the story, okay, computer science. The other side of the story is understanding the statistics behind it. What kind of information can I extract from this data? Not just I can extract information, right? So there are two parts to it. Now, to me personally, the statistical thinking is very hard to do. So that is what our degree focuses on, the statistical thinking. We teach the students how to think about the data in statistical terms. How do you extract information that is valuable? Writing the computer code is easy. If you don't believe me, just walk into a bookshop, buy a book called Learning Java in 21 Days. Spend 1 hour every day for 21 days, you will learn Java. And that's all you need. Buy another book on learning Python in 21 days. 21 days later, you are an expert in Python. So that is easy to do. It's the statistical thinking that is difficult. So if you're thinking of data science, I encourage you to think of a course that teaches you more statistical thinking and less computer skills, because then you can pick up on your own. Okay, that's my take on why you want to join us.